So here at the Fleet Service Centre in Bodelwyddan, we manage and maintain all Denbighshire County Council's vehicles. The heating system that we had wasn't really adequate to provide our mechanics with an amiable working environment. You know, it was either too hot or too cold.
Y prosiect yma yn esiampl wych o dod â anghenion gres, pŵer a trafnidiaeth I gyd at ei gilydd mewn un safle yn y system ynni lleol deallus.
The Energy Service provided comprehensive support to Denbighshire County Council on the Bodelwyddan Smart Depo project. We provided technical advice, feasibility studies, strategic advice for them to install the low carbon heat systems, the battery energy storage, the solar PV and EV charging.
This project's quite innovative, mostly based upon the technological and data integration side. You know, we've got a building management system here, a Trend IQ5 system, and it takes various inputs from all the different systems, so the PV system, the battery system, the solar and the electric vehicle charge points, and it manages that data to optimise the energy efficiency and utilisation on site.
Mae cydweithio hefo y Gwasanaeth Ynni Llywodraeth Cymru wedi bod yn wych, dod â cymysgedd o gyllid at ei gilydd I hwyluso datblygiad y prosiect yma, wedi gweithio'n dda iawn.
The Energy Service were very helpful. The high-level scoping report where they'd assessed the loads on the building compared to the size of PV that we could install and the charge rate of the battery. So they really assisted us with the technical data side of the design.
Benefits of the new system are that our guys work in a much more favourable facility, and we've reduced our electricity usage significantly.